where you wanted me to be. Niko katika pahali ulitaka nikae. Uliko katika mahali ulitaka niendelee. Maana when the will of God is upon your life, something for you in your eyes, you will see things as if they are going wrong. But in the eyes of God, everything is correct. Kwa hivyo usijarishwe na hiyo situation uko nayo sasa. Maybe you are being preserved. Joseph was taken to prison. Not because God didn't want him. Not because God wanted to punish him. But for preservation. Sababu aliendelea kukaa na mama jamaa mabwana zake wangemuua. And if wangemuua, the vision that was in him could have been aborted. And that is how you have allowed the vision in us to be aborted by people who don't value what it is in us. So let us worship God. Let's thank God. Praise God. Because He is our Redeemer. Praise be the name of God. He crowns you with steadfast love. He's a king. We glorify God because He is a king. And a king will give you mercy and love. It's a king that loves you. A king that gives you mercy. A king that protects you. A king that looks down on you and says, this is my daughter. Says, this is my son. They say, this is my servant. And nobody can find this servant. Nobody. When they plant the king, he always when you sow every prayer, make sure that David is there. His own son, Jonathan, gave the secret. He said, he's planning to kill you. Run away. Because he is the son of a king. David is the son of a king. So the moment you belong to that kingdom, the mercy of God endures forever. His love and mercy will be on your life. Wherever you go, whatever you do, wherever you stand, whatever the people you walk with, the mercy of God will abide with you. And that is why you are yes, kama kuuliza kwa watu mkuu mchapuka. Lakini because we belong to that king, he crowns you. He's given you a crown. Okay. Hata ukilala, the crown iko kwa kichwa yako. Because he's merciful and he loves. Praise the name of God. And if you walk in that kingdom, walk righteously, then we got a reason to praise our master. We got a reason to say God is God. We got a reason to say He is our Redeemer. We got a reason to say He is merciful. We got a reason to say that He loves and cares for us. So don't look down on your life. It is only that it is not yet there. You are about to. Just open your heart for God to say. And the moment you release yourself to God, everything will work according to the plan of God. Everything will work according to the plan of God. Nothing will go astray. Nothing will not work. If only you allow God to be in you. If you allow God to work with you. If you allow God to prevail in whatever you do. If you allow God. Because He's the King. The King owns everything. He's the owner.